Are you one of those who wants to be successful in life but is not able to achieve the desired level? Even though you're putting in the best efforts possible, but you still feel something is missing? You must have heard or read a lot of to-dos from people to be successful, but no one will tell you what not to do if you really want to scale up on the ladder of success. But here we are today to share the list of what not to do if you want to be successful in life. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Rise and Shine, where you get all answers to transform your life for the better. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button below and press the bell icon to get the recent updates from our channel. In this video, we will cover the below topics today. What is the meaning of success and what not to do if you want to be successful in life. So let's start with what do we mean by being successful. Honestly, this involves a lot of subjectivity and can be looked upon in many different ways. Someone may measure success on parameters like being rich, owning big houses and a fleet of luxury cars, having a good job or business which earns you loads of money and social status, etc. But for someone else, being in a peaceful state of mind might be the most successful position in life. So basically, being successful in life would mean accomplishing whatever goals you have set for yourself in life. So now that we know what being successful is, let us now move to the next section and know what not to do to achieve the success in our lives. Changing a few habits can take you places. In fact, there is a very thin line between success and failure, which we need to balance. So here are the top things that you should avoid doing if you want to be successful. So the first one is stop being pessimistic and negative about self. You should never feel sorry or have pity on yourself. Instead, believe in yourself, be confident of yourself. If you are not confident of your actions and abilities, then how will others be? If someone else tries to tell you that you cannot do something, don't just agree. Instead, you should have a solution oriented and a problem solving attitude towards life. When the Wright brothers decided to make the plane and informed their dad about it, he said, if God wanted us to fly, he would have made us with wings. Just think what would have happened had they believed him more than themselves. And rest is history. So just believe in yourself and follow your passion with full optimism. So the next is stop being rigid and not open to change. Change your perspective, change the lens through which you look at the changes that life demands for you to grow, and you will understand that change is the only constant in life. The day a person stops evolving and catching up with the changing environment, he becomes stagnant in life. He can never be successful if he wants to stay rigid about his own ideologies. Next is stop ignoring criticism. Please, please, please stop ignoring criticism. In fact, you should take criticism very constructively and try to improve yourself. It is very rightly said that if you want to grow up the ladder, keep your critics very close to you. Because even though unintentionally, but these critics really help you know your flaws with full honesty. You don't want to just have people nodding to everything you say and then end up failing. Instead, have your critics tell you candidly so that you can improve your those focus areas and be successful in life. Next is stop making excuses. Being habitual of making excuses or passing the blame or delaying things for no reason can be your biggest enemy and stop you from being successful in life. Things will go haywire at times and you won't be able to fix them always. And that's absolutely okay. Learn to take ownership for your mistakes and at the same time know when to put your foot down so that no one takes you for granted. When things don't go as per the plan, don't make excuses or pass the blame on others. This will only put you in a vicious cycle of guilt and failure without actually solving the problem that originally led to the failure. The person who has the attitude of just fixing the issue and moving on to the next task without wasting time on making excuses is the one who ultimately achieves success in life. Next time when you fail, look within with a neutral mind and figure out what you can do better next time. Don't waste time looking externally by creating excuses for why you were not successful. Next is stop doing everything alone and by yourself. Please understand that successful people are not superhumans with special powers. They are simple human beings who understand that they cannot win the world alone, but with a sincere team with them. If you have ever worked in a group, you would know that collaboration is never an easy task. To be successful, you need to know when it should be a team effort and when it should be an individual effort. You need to judge whether keeping more people at work would be beneficial or would create more chaos. Knowing this difference is the real key to success. Stop pushing yourself too hard or putting your family and personal life on the back seat. People who understand that they will not be able to perform their best if they are tired, undernourished, or experiencing any other kind of extreme imbalance in their lives are one of the most successful people in the world. This is the reason why we are now talking so openly about our mental wellness, about disconnecting from work to spend quality time with families, about valuing our personal relationships, and about maintaining a proper work life balance. Unless you have a balanced life, your mind won't function to the optimum level it should. It is common to see highly successful people as committed to relaxation and wellness as they are to their work and productivity. Please know that you do not need to feel guilty or left out if you are taking time off for yourself or your family. Value your and your family's emotional, mental, and physical well being over everything else. Because if you have that balance, then you can achieve anything and everything in life. Next is stop taking things for granted and being ungrateful for what you have. Express more gratitude in life. Be grateful for everything you have, and that will help you feel more content in life. Having more gratitude not only helps achieve more happiness in life, but also helps attract success in life. If you will crib less and be more grateful for what you have, your mind will be less cluttered and will be full of positive thoughts to help you grow in every aspect of life. Today, just try to list down the things you are grateful for, and you will see that your gratitude will serve as a compass for your life. It will guide your decision making and ultimately lead you to success. Moving to the next one, which is stop repeating the same mistakes. People who are successful, they simply take accountability for their actions and behaviors. If they made a mistake, they accept it and look for ways to fix it. This attitude helps them to not repeat the same mistakes as one notes the behavior which caused the issue and move ahead. It is very famously said that the easy way to learn is from others' mistakes. The hard way is to learn from your own mistakes, but the worst is not to learn from either of the two. Next is stop fearing failure. Please do not fear failure, as that is something that is bound to happen on the road to success. However, you cannot allow failure to stop you. So the only failure on the road to success is the failure to get up and try again. Do not fear failure, as that may lead to unwillingness to take any action for fear that will end in failure. It is possible there is a 50% chance that you succeed and 50% that you fail. But please understand, if you do not try, then you are actually increasing that 50% to 100% of missing out on the target. Sometimes you must hurt in order to grow, fall in order to know, and lose in order to gain. So, our greatest life lessons are learned through the hills and valleys of our own unique journey. Instead of avoiding success by avoiding failure, It is important that you consider failure as a powerful life lesson to grow further. And the last one is stop comparing yourself with others. I repeat, please don't compare yourself with others. It is very easy to fall prey to the tendency of comparing oneself with others who are already way ahead of you. You agree or not, we all are very fond of comparing everything with others. Be it our color, status, score, size of the house, the car one drives, to salary or position at work, and the list can go on and on. While we are busy at cribbing, we actually forget that everyone is in a different journey and stage of life. Just think, a flower doesn't compare itself to or competes with the flower next to it. It just blooms for itself. It just competes with itself. It deepens its roots further and increases its strength to grow taller and bloom beautifully with the air. Don't forget that your journey will always be different from your friend, colleague, neighbor, or any person you may treat as your idol. And trust me, you have no idea what the other person's journey is all about. So stop competing with others and just compete with your own self to become a better version of yourself. Becoming successful can be a very challenging goal to stare. Everyone dreams to be successful, but the success bringing habits do not come naturally to everyone. So you need to build on them. See, success is an intangible thing and it cannot be measured on a specific scale. It is actually just a state of mind, and the true meaning of success is to live a happy and contented life. Stop looking for an easy way out to get quick returns and remember, impossible in itself says, I am possible. So keep watching our videos and keep climbing up the ladder of success in your own unique way. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel Rise and Shine. You can also leave your questions, comments, or any topics you would like to hear from us in the comment section below, and we will be happy to address them in our upcoming videos. Till then, stay good, stay safe.